In today's video, we are going to show you if it's possible to add a Volatility 75 index on MT5 Exness. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to understand is that you cannot find or add the Volatility 75 index or V75 on MT5 with Exness. If you hover on the analytics view, click the analyst view, and there is a search bar here. You type in and search Volatility 75. As you may notice, it's not available because Exness does not support this asset. But don't worry, because if you are using your MT5 platform, all you have to do is go to Deriv, and on Deriv platform, you need to connect your MT5 there, because the V75 or the Volatility 75 index is exclusively available and offered by Deriv, which is formerly binary.com. In my case, I have an account here in Deriv that I connected my MT5. I'm gonna click on it and show you how to add the Volatility 75 index. Click the trade button. I'm gonna use the MetaTrader 5 web terminal. What will happen is you'll be forwarded to the MetaTrader 5 that is connected to my Deriv account. You need to search for a specific symbol, for example, volatility indices. You see that you have multiple options here, and you may notice that you can add the Volatility 75 index without any problem here in Deriv that you can connect to MT5. Please take note that while Exness does not offer the Volatility 75 index on MT4 or MT5 or their proprietary terminal, Volatility 75 is available on Deriv for as long as you connect your MT5 account here. And basically, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.